Hello and welcome. I'm Mensa Augustine. In this math video tutorial, we'll be looking at quadratic sequence or quadratic mapping. So by the end of this math video tutorial, you should be able to find the nth term of a quadratic sequence or mapping. Now, let us repeat the sequence. We have 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. So what is the nth term of this sequence? Now let us find the common difference. If we take 2 from 5, we get 3. If we take 5 from 10, we get 5. If we take 10 from 17, we get 7. 17 from 26, we get 9. 26 from 37, we get 11. So you see that the difference between the terms is not constant, but rather forms another sequence which has a common difference of 2, and this is a linear sequence. So if this happens, then we have a quadratic sequence or quadratic mapping. So how do we find the nth term? Now, let's say that this is an, and that we have the n values to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then if this happens, we're going to have the quadratic formula an equals an squared plus bn plus c. So if I take these two, 2 equals, then I put n equal 1. That gives a plus b plus c, equation 1. Then I take n equal 2 and put it here. Then I have 5 equal 2 squared is 4 plus 4b plus c, equation 2. If I take 3 and put for n, I get 10 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. That is equation 3. Then solve these three equations simultaneously. So if you are in UK and you are doing your higher mathematics, this video is very helpful. It normally comes into the GCSE exams, that's person EDASL examination. Wow, if you are also in other countries, I hope this video is highly helpful. Please like, share, comment, and follow for us to grow the mathematics community. For any online classes, you can just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. So how do we solve these three equations simultaneously? You can subtract any two of the equations. So first, let me take equation 1 from equation 2. I'll take 2 from 5. It will give me 3. If I take a from 4a, it will give me 3a. If I take b from 4b, it will give me plus, oh wow, this is not 4b, this is 2b rather, because we put 2 here, because 2 times b will give us this. So if I take b from 2b, it will give me b, and c from c will be 0. So I have another equation 4. Then here, if I take 5 from 10, I'll get 5. Wow. If I take 4a from 9a, I'll get 5a. If I take 2b from 3b, I'll get b. And if I take c from c, I'll get 0. So this is equation 5. Now, if I subtract equation 4 from 5, 3 from 5 is 2. 3a from 5a is also 2a. b from b is 0. So I have a equal 1 if I divide by 2. So if a equal 1, let me put 1 here. 3 times 1 is 3. If I subtract it from 3, I get 0. So b equal 0. So if I put 1 here, sorry, b is 0. So if I put 0 here and 1 here, then I can find c. So 1 plus 0 is 0. If I take 1 from 2, I get c equal 1. So the nth term, that is an, will be I'll put A here. A is 1. 1 times n squared will give me n squared. B is 0. So 0 times n will give me 0. And C is 1. So plus 1. So this is the nth term of this quadratic sequence in a very simple way. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, share, and leave your comments for us to build the mathematics community.